National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Carbon County in northern in eastern Pennsylvania, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wilkes-Barre to Massasoit City to Forestville to Tremont, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Reading, Lehighton, Mount Pocono, Bethlehem, Pottstown, Emmaus, Wyomissing, Northampton, East Stroudsburg, Tobyhanna, Hellertown, Nazareth, Palmerton, Bangor, Birdsboro, Kutztown, Jim Thorpe, Hamburg, and Sladington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county, Warren, New Jersey, and the following counties, in Pennsylvania, Berks, Carbon, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, and Northampton.